In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gemini Assistant on Samsung. By the end, you'll have Google's Gemini set as your digital assistant, so it responds when you invoke the assistant on your Samsung phone. Start by opening the Google app on your Samsung device. This is the same app you use for Google search. Look for the colorful G icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Make sure you're signed into your Google account inside the app so your settings are available. Once the Google app is open, tap your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. This opens your account menu and a list of app options tied to your Google profile. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you into the main control center for the Google app and related features, where you can adjust personalization, privacy, and your assistant preferences. In Settings, select Google Assistant. This is where all your assistant-related options live. You'll find things like voice settings, language, routines, and the place we need for choosing which assistant runs on your phone. Now look for Digital Assistant. On many Samsung devices, this appears as Digital Assistant app or a similar label within the assistant settings. Tap it to open the list of available assistants supported on your device. From the list, select Gemini. Once you choose Gemini, your phone will set it as the default digital assistant. You may see a brief confirmation or permissions screen. Follow any on-screen prompts so Gemini has the access it needs to help with things like answering questions and launching tasks. That's it. From now on, whenever you trigger your assistant, whether it's by using your preferred gesture, pressing the assistant key combination, or tapping the on-screen assistant button, Gemini will be the one that responds. If you're used to interacting by voice, you can continue doing that. Gemini will handle the request and provide answers right on your screen. A couple of quick tips if you don't immediately see the Gemini option. Make sure your Google app is up to date and that your device language and region support Gemini. Availability can roll out gradually, so if it isn't listed yet, check back later. Also, if you switch assistants frequently, remember that setting Gemini here makes it the default across most places you invoke the assistant on your phone. You've now enabled Gemini on your Samsung, and you're ready to explore what it can do for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new assistant experience.